Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. But she called, wanna go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much, and I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say, fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you do better. And I'll start hitting the way you make me.
It's your girl, I am Renee, also known as well, because as you know, we block more row. Period, y'all. What's up? And happy Friday, y'all. Today is Friday. So as you do, some of you may know that I do bottle girl on the weekends. I help my auntie out at her club, and I will be putting this wig on my head. So I said, let me just do getting ready with me as a bottle girl. I have to work tomorrow, but I am going to put my wig on tonight. I just showed y'all a clip where I was flattening out, you know, pressing in the front of it and stuff. So stay tuned. I'm finna put this wig on and I'm gonna crimp it. And I also what else? I'm doing my makeup tomorrow, so you'll just have to see when I'm doing my makeup, and I'll try to show y'all some footage of when I get to work if I remember. It is like one of our bottle girls' birthday, so we as a Soul Train family, we're gonna celebrate her and turn her up. Don't mind my fan in the background. And y'all, I am in my room. In front of my mirror, I have a big like mirror with LED lights. It's like a floor mirror, and I have a beauty room, but I really love doing my makeup, everything right here. So yeah, when I get finished with my house and stuff, y'all will be getting a tour. But the first thing I'm gonna do is just these wigs. This wig cap, I'm gonna put it on, and I'm gonna put it on my head. Y'all, do not sorry. Don't expect me to be talking this whole time, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm about to put my music on and jam out. Y'all, it's been a hard week for your girl. This week has been so hard for me. I just ask y'all to lift me up in prayer, because honey, it's really been a hard week, y'all, and I hate to say it, but it really has been a hard week. But like I just said, just pray for your girl. Pray for me. But let's get into this video. You know your girl had to have something to sip on. Mind your business. Cheers.
somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm
Oh, before you leave.
yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all's over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck.
That's that shit that drives me crazy.
And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. You want it? The thing that makes me what the guys go crazy for. They lose their minds the way I want it. It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. You want me to teach the techniques that fix these boys. It can't be hard.
She came and swept me off her feet.
Please get calm. Watch if you're smart.
to me? What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding.
I can do this for hours and hours.
Sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
Okay, y'all, I'm about to finish crimping my hair, and then I'll come back when I do everything else. And I might do like just a little time lapse over. I don't know. We're gonna see. Just stay tuned though.
Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for a show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches running around this bitch, named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah, yeah. I told her stab my niece. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. This is the finished product for tonight. It's giving cute, period. Tomorrow I'll just have to add more crinkles on this side because yeah. But just stay tuned for the next part. I'll catch you girls tomorrow. Good night. What's up, y'all? Let me turn towards the light. What is going? There we go. Hey y'all, hey, happy Saturday. Today is Saturday and this is my continual vlog of getting ready with me with the bottle girl. As a bottle girl, I am currently, it's like 11 o'clock in the morning. What time is it? 12 o'clock. So I'm about to go with my parents and then hopefully I get something to eat because your girl is very hungry. And then I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna show y'all that process. So just stay tuned. And I gotta redo my hair as y'all can see, cause I done combed out the crinkles. It's still like wavy, but I want it to be like they defined crinkles. So just stay tuned. Peace. I know I didn't record me actually get ready. I'm sorry. I was in a rush. But yeah. Okay, y'all. This is the final look.
Oh, you're doing
Okay, period. We'll close out the vlog when I get home, so see y'all later. What's up, y'all? The night was kind of cut short. Not kind of, but the night was cut short because of the lights went off in the building. It's like rain. It was storming in Memphis, and the lights went off, and they didn't come back on. So yeah, like I informed y'all, it was one of our Robotic girls' birthday. Yeah, so yeah, it was one of their birthdays, and you know, she wanted us to go out, but like I don't know, y'all. I just wanted to come home. So I'm about to take this makeup off, and I'm about to you know, I take this makeup off and I'm about to chill. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend. And also add me on TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. I love y'all. Bye. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl, I am Rolindra, and I'm currently doing a giveaway, and this is how you enter. Be sure to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you. Come and take your place.